Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Busuu for speaking practice, full guide step by step clearly. Open the Busuu app or website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one by selecting the sign up option. Once logged in, navigate to the language you want to practice. Select your desired language from the main menu. After selecting your language, locate the practice section. In the practice section, look for speaking exercises. Choose an exercise that focuses on speaking skills. Review the instructions provided for the exercise carefully. Listen to any audio samples included to understand pronunciation. Begin the speaking exercise by tapping the record button. Follow the prompts provided to complete your speaking task. After recording your response, listen to it to check your pronunciation and fluency. Submit your recording for feedback, if applicable. Explore the feedback section after completion to learn about your strengths and weaknesses. Use the practice tools provided to refine your speaking skills. Consider setting daily speaking goals to keep yourself motivated. Return frequently to the practice exercises to track your improvement. Engage with native speakers if Busuu offers community features. Utilize additional resources, such as vocabulary lists, for better preparation. Continue practicing regularly to build confidence in your speaking abilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.